So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of media offline randomly flashing on the screen of your on the video that you export on the DaVinci. Now in order to get that fix, that issue simply happens because of the cache stored of with that data that the file does not access. So in order to get that fix, just simply clear the cache. You can follow this video to follow the steps how to clear the cache of that are stored in the DaVinci. Now, in order to get that, just simply click on this option of a view right there, and in here you'll see this option. Just simply select the playback option right there, and in here you'll see this option that says delete a render cache. Click over there and select this option that says all. Once you click over there and hit on this option of delete, all the render caches that have been stored with corrupted data will now be gone, and you can simply export your video with all the errors fixed. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.